All my Haitians be back. So like, sons of that's the way.
Thumbing through the shit that what the bags told me. Sons that what my dad told me. Saucer than a bitch that what the swag told me. Young him nigga what them bands told me. Sons of
Mas tu bisa kalau bisa bang. Cadê?
Pourquoi je me suis fait? Tu vas connaître ça veiller? Montez! Montez!
We going worldwide with this one. Hey Florida, we back. All my Haitians, we back. So like, sons of that's the wave.
Thumbing through the shit that what the bags told me. Sons that what my dad told me. Saucer than a bitch that what the swag told me. Young him nigga what them bands told me.
Never been a role model, ain't try to be one. Somebody call Cali Fresh, got another one. I don't make friends, I just make money. Sounds like they got the whole club going crazy. Red and blue Zoe flag, bringing Haiti with me. I'm on that Zoe shit heavy, better not try me. Got a hit slogan, man number dog. This one for my haters, man number dog. New fresh, new money, big boy pockets. With them Zoes in the club, ballin' like the Rockets. Real Haitian Birdman, all cash money. Sounds like they the new hit, now they fucking with me.
Coming through the shit that what the bags told me. Sons that what my dad told me. Saucer than a bitch that what the swag told me. Young him nigga what them bands told me.
Young nigga, and I got the bands on me. That's the reason your girl got her hands on me. I could make your wifey switch plans, homie. Fuck the president, I'd rather be the man, homie. And a nigga got your bitch with me. Finna give a dick, put it in the kidney. Got her drinking brown, Bobby, no Whitney. Shorty not chingy, she said she tipsy. I'ma fuck her on the bed, fuck her on the floor. Shorty, you ain't know, yeah, you fucking with Zoe. Yeah, they call me Son Zave. I won't eat the pussy if it ain't live. Whoa.
Coming through the shit that what my bags told me. Sons that what my dad told me. Saucer than a bitch that what the swag told me. Young him nigga what them bands told me.
Five in my jeans and my pants sag. Walking through the fucking club with my Haitian flag. Haitian fresh, Sons of I'm a superstar. I don't gotta say shit, they know who we are. Red and blue Chevy sitting in the parking lot. 32s on them bitches.